Yes, my wonderful people. Welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. Today, my people, I have a rather sad story. A story where I don't know if a jealousy, bad mind, or envy or what. But I'm tell you something here now. You see, sometime when you left Jamaica and boy yaga foreign, remember say the person them who want to see you fail can be your own family member. You can reach a foreign and try everything in the world to help them. But come like all them want to see you do, have to see you fail. As long as you can do that one thing there for them. It come like them just want to see you fall off and the worst things happen to you. My people, me say that for say this. A lady reach out to me and speaking to the lady. I could hear me never know if the lady cry on the phone because I don't really hear the crying. But in her voice you can hear tears. Just to how the lady I deliver the story. My people, this lady said she there at Jamaica. She down there and she used to travel back and forth, go market, go sell and do her thing. She have one daughter down there and she buy one of them nice little car there where them call name, they wish them. And have it down there, back and forth. You see me I deal with? Back and forth, back and forth. The lady says she get a little one link. Where the people them say, alright, you are going to spend this X amount of money to go up on a program, but you're not going to really need to go work on the program. I just forget you in America. And the woman say, alright. The woman say she spent $200,000 on the link. And she have a sister down at Jamaica, where she and her sister close like a son. The woman say her ride and die that. Her sister that. The woman say her little daughter where she have down there. She and the father break up, but the father is a man who still look out for her daughter and thing. But the woman say she now going away. She left the daughter with the sister because she say, watch her now, no. She not like where the daddy live. The daddy live at one place where not so nice. So she not really want her daughter grow up there. You see me I deal with the daughter 9-year-old. And she say better if she stay with her sister because the sister have 2 pitney too. You see me I deal that she have a daughter roughly around the same age. So she say a better business. She say, alright, I go where she a go where. Because before she even reach up, the people them say them have work with them can line up, link with them can this and that and go work. But I don't know program, nothing. I don't know, you only do your thing like you go up on a program. But when you spend your money and go up, them have work line up different place for you. You see me I deal with, alright. The woman spend him 200,000 and take the link. The wish what the woman have, the woman give to him sister. In give to her because the woman knows say she done now come back then plan everything and he must say sis my daughter go there so with you understand me know you want to move around and sit to and you have your youth them the woman saying give the sister the car not a red penny no take from the sister because she says she's a woman who always a save her money so when she spend the 200 and thing and Ray she have a little money for travel with move up. You see me I say? So when him left the car, he not take a penny from the sister because he say the sister go take care of the daughter and him now pay the sister to take care of the daughter. The woman go so boom now and get the and everything work out and the woman lift off you now. Gone a big foreigner now. Reach America. At the time the woman deliver the story, the woman saying the America now 3 years. The woman saying the America now 3 years. The woman saying the America. You understand? And the woman say, alright, him did it, but she not tell no lie. When she reach America, things was booming. The link when she come up and work around, she take care of people, she do this, she do that, she can do more than one job, and she do her thing and money around. The woman say, every month, on a good month, she no send down not less than $500 a month time go give her sister. She don't say, she say on a bad month I sitting it now go under $350 good on go give her sister. Make we check people. $500 right now in a Jamaica about how much money? Me don't even know the conversion rate. Me that think about 160. Me that think say about 160 then. So y'all look and say about 80,000 a month time for one little pitney. And the woman say, when school time come around and them something there, a different money because she know school go already. So you know you have to buy up, so you can't send the same money. So the really and truly, the woman say the 500 and so she always a send pan a good month. And just for the little pitney food for the month and thing. And a little pitney, 9-year-old. You understand? At the time, when the woman had left, the little pitney was 9-year-old. The little pitney at 12, roughly 12 now. 3 years the woman they are foreign. He left the pitney when the pitney at 9. And the woman said she not send nothing less than $500 unless it's a bad month and things not going so good. She said she they are foreign and the same car when give sister 2 times she insured that a car there. 2 years since she left and got foreign she insured that a car there. Down at Jamaica for the sister. Remember she give the sister a car, you know. Give her good give, you know. And still she have to insure the car for the sister and everything. The woman say J Progress. Him do everything what you can think of for the sister. Right? Sometime when she send on her 500. Sometimes the father is a man who left all 20,000 at the yard. Give the little pitney 20,000, 10,000. Anything where him have. Because him have that pitney too. And him know say the woman do her thing. So he not pressure himself. He love him pitney and everything. You see, so sometimes the woman end up with all excess money. The woman says since of lately now, since everything start crack down, everybody see what go on in America. All down to a man who have no interest in America, you must see what go on and hear what go on. So it's a new administration and the administration and a ramp and everything they on lockdown. You hear me I say? The woman say, from 2025 start, she barely a scrape. Because from before Trump take office, from the end of 2024, some people start shape up themselves and some of the work them get cut off and baiting. And everything gets slow up, the woman say. The woman say she did it and she has saved her money because she had tried to do her thing and now she not find no money to do her thing yet. But she have put her money together to do her little thing. But she done there and she said, boy, from 2025, she not go tell no lie. Things get slow. Sometimes she send $200 go give the sister when he can't find it. You understand me I deal with? Sometimes he send 150, sometimes he maga. She say. And she know and the sister know because the sister know when things good, what used to happen. You understand? The woman said the sister start change. Bearing in mind now, you know. When she send $150 sometime, you know. I want $200, you know. Remember say the father still give. The pitney got money for go to school sometime when the pitney go to school and still drop off 10,000 or 20,000 when he have, you know. You see what me I deal with? And the woman I say the sister start change, but she now realize say the sister was basically reliant on the money, the another money they run the entire house. And the money they pay all bills and take care of the pitney with the yard. 3 pitney the yard I take care of it. Fear little daughter plus the other 2 pitney them. You see me I deal with. So the woman I say, no man. No man, then sister have all car, no care. If things, him see how things are go already. You see me I deal with the little car can go up on the road if anything and you don't know. But sister down there drive up and down and a go on with herself and a braff and true. She a get X amount of money plus she works. So think about it. She a get at least $70,000-$80,000 a month from her sister. For 2 full year now, 2 year and match now. Plus she a work and make her own money. You understand? And she a fear her baby father where you give her money. Plus that the woman theme sister. Baby father give her little 10 and 20. You can't imagine how much money she a get. But now all of a sudden she knows her sister in America. Don't have no paperwork. Don't have no green card. And knowing that the people in them country legal. And barely up there scrape. And she must hear. Because the woman say, from the thing I change over, I tell him, say, sis, a big thing I go on over here, so everything slow up. This a job you cut off, that the job they cut off, sitting. The sister no business about that. You hear me say? The sister no business about that. The sister look on the woman and tell the woman, say, boy, this you can't work, because pitney expensive and things there down here and that there down here. Remember, you work to sister. You have 2 pitney to where you have papa. And 1 pitney the woman, and the woman can, if things tough in America, a woman can find $200 and send it down. You can pinch that and make it serve out for the pitney, and the pitney daddy a give money for go to school, a give her lunch money and thing. So what? You can't help out when your sister they are foreign and go through certain thing, The woman look on the sister and say, boy, it'll get rough. Pan she down a Jamaica to her, boy, this and that and ray. She have to go send the little girl go to her father. Bearing in mind, me telling you, the woman say where the father living now, want to raise her little girl pitney there. And the little girl pitney reach 12-year-old now and start bust her breast and sitting. And in some rough area, in some volatile area, them place they run already. As you say, who there you see all 13, 14, 15-year-old with pitney on them side. Because no man now wait till them turn big woman. You see me? So you don't really want to send your little girl pitney go down in them volatile area where the father live. And the father don't really want the daughter come down there, but the father say, if I saw, where she go. You see me I deal with people. You don't know say one day, the woman did it. And him baby father call her. And tell her, say, such and such day, your sister can drop her off this morning with her things them. The woman say when she call her sister and I cry. And I say, imagine, look how me turn up for you and look how much things you call me upon me there over here. I mean, able to create and me reach, me try with you so me do everything. Me give your car free, we cost so much money. Me insure car for you 2 times. Look how much time you tell me say this and tell me say that I me send a money for you different from what me I send for my daughter. And you go tell me say you me I go through a rough patch in America right now. Few little months. And you can't do it with the little me I give you and the father I give you. Balance up and help out your niece. The woman said the sister hang up a phone upon her. And she sent her a message. The woman said she sent her a message and said, you're one of the worst, most ungratefulness, wickedest sister anybody can have. People like Uno only did it when people can help Uno, but as soon as them done, Uno gone. And it me assure say sometimes your own family them can tear Uno down when they are foreign. Because no matter what Uno see them do for Uno, anytime Uno can do it again, Uno in a problem. You hear me I say? Nothing one little paper Uno can get for them can go and JP go sign for Uno and send a mail you have come give Uno a foreign, then not do it. The woman say she have to reach out to one more other sister where they are warrior, which means that him daughter have to go change school, everything can say no want him daughter down at the father because down where the father live. He not ready. Not the house or the condition of the father living in, but the area is not a place where she want her little daughter to go grow up. The woman say reach out to the other sister. And the other sister said, don't worry yourself, man. Me know them thing they go. We know say foreign no better rules. Send her come. Do what you can do until things pick up back. And the father can the little pitney go drop off with that sister there. The woman say right now, sometimes she send her money go get that sister there. Sometimes she not have it. Some month she send it. Sometimes she not have it. Some week she send her money. Sometimes she don't have it. Every now and then when she have it and the sister now pressure her. That sister did have her family did it too. If the woman say if I one banana it have to cut up and share for everybody. If a sugar and water I drink, everybody have to drink sugar and water. Now worry yourself, your pitney now go there and dead for hungry. Just do what you need to do and straighten up yourself in America. People, the woman say one of the biggest betrayal she could have get from her sister where she always a look out for. And the worst thing is that the sister where she a look out for, where she give care and a help out and a send much money to. She no deal with the one son now we have the pitney now and look pan her and tell her, say, don't worry yourself. As long as Pat cooking at this house, she have in yam. Your pitney now go dead for hungry. Do what you do and sort out yourself. Any little way you have, do it. She never look out for that, the sister, so. The woman says she feels shame. She never have no choice but to send her daughter go down there with that the auntie there. But she feels shame doing it because she know in her heart say, ever since she there foreign, she never go all out for that the sister. Once in a blue moon holiday time, that sister that we say XYZ and he send one little change go give her. A good thing she wanna send it. But she feels shame for no say. She treat the other sister so because she say that the one there and me close like her so. And she know I keep her daughter so she get that the one everything. And as much as this a sister, ya half sister, I just in Daddy Pitney, she was right there. And that's why she has said she never connect with her so much because I just father outside Pitney. Him and the other sister, a same mother, same father, and look what she do to her. She would even wall out with her own niece till somebody with the other country where I go through be things sort out themselves. No. That's why I tell you no sometime. You see sometime, even stranger will deal with you better than your own family when you're there foreign. Because some people feel like from the moment you go up on a plane and land in a foreign country, things are going for you. Enough people don't have an idea now where some people the America go through right now. Since Trump take over office, many people don't have a clue. And no matter of fact, even if them have a clue, them don't care. All them know when them say money, money need to run because money a fall off a tree. Remember me tell you, a whole heap of people out there right now, if you can't do what you normally do for them, God go with you. You're dead for once. Believe when me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Remember good no man, you not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. And just 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe when me tell you that.